Hello, welcome to online class students. So as we are discussing about the function groups, right? So on one or two easy questions will be there, right? It's not that much difficult. What you understand, it's a very easy topic, right? What you need to do here is just you have to practice and you have to understand the concept. That is important. One or two question will be fixed on this topic, right? So practice it in a neat manner. You will succeed that. Okay, so now we're going to discuss about again some of the topics were remained in the last video. I think that we discussed only about the three function groups, which was chloro, bromo and alcohol, right? So now again three function groups are there which comes under oxygen only. In the oxygen only there are four function groups are there. In the chloro, bromo there are two function groups are there only. Means we studied one of already, which is that one alcohol. We've already discussed about the alcohol in last video only, right? Alcohol is nothing but it is the function group, it's the name of the compound, right? What is the suffix of the alcohol is OL is the suffix, and what is the formula of that alcohol is OH. Means one of the hydrogen in the carboxylic acid or in the hydrocarbon, one of the hydrogen hydrocarbon, if you are replacing by the OH group, then that compound is said to be the alcohol compound, right? So we discussed about that one. So now today we are going to discuss about one more, the second function group in the oxygen case, that is the aldehyde, right? Aldehyde, it is second, which is the first is the alcohol, right? Aldehyde. Then what is the suffix of the aldehyde? It is not a prefix, it is a suffix, means it will come after the name. The suffix is Al, means the hydrocarbon names ends with Al called as the aldehyde. What are the hydrocarbons? Mention their names. Methane, we have to represent the saturated only. Ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane, right? Meth means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Simple. So these are the hydrocarbons, right? In that hydrocarbon, now if the hydrocarbon name is ending with the Al as a suffix, if it is ending with Al, that is considered as the aldehyde. What is the example? It is mean methanol, right? Ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol, hexanol, heptanol, octanol, nonanol, decanol. If an hydrocarbon is ending with the functional group, which is that Al, if you are seeing that Al is there in the final name of the compound, then you have to be sure that it is the aldehyde group. OL is the alcohol group, Al is the aldehyde group. Then what is the formula of the aldehyde? The formula of aldehyde is this one, C double bond O 1H, and this bond is connected to the remaining bonds of the hydrocarbon, right? So it is the aldehyde, suffix is Al, and this is the formula of that function group. Now what you need to represent here means you need to represent the aldehyde group in terms of the saturated hydrocarbon. I will take the example one by one. We know that, as I already said, that I will do up to the penta or hexa, then after remaining up to deca. You need to do that one as the homework, right? We will take the we start with the ethanol, right? Because it is needed at least 2 carbon atoms for its molecular formula and the structural formula, right? Now see, How to write the ethanol? Meth, eth, one double bond O, one is H, remaining are the hydrogens. Right? Meth, eth. Ethanol means this carbon is of the functional group only. Right? It is a carbon of that function group only. Now, how to write the molecular formula? It is a little bit tricky. It is a structural formula. Then, how to write the molecular formula? Writing of molecular formula is a little tricky. You should not consider the function group carbon while writing the molecular formula. You keep that one separately. Don't mark like this. I just showed you. It keep as separately. You keep this one as separately. Now see here. How many carbons are there? One carbon is there. So write C. Don't write C1 because if nothing is there means one is there already. Then how many hydrogens are there here? 1, 2, 3. 3 hydrogens are there. CS3. Then now you represent about this one. Carbon 1OH. Carbon OH. So this is the molecular formula of ethanol, that is CS3COH. Now about propanol. Right. Meth, eth, prop. Double bond O, one H. This is the propanol. It is a structural formula. Then a condition is that, sir, way we should represent the function group. क्या हम किसी भी हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं? नहीं, आपको इस फंक्शन ग्रुप में यही आपको रिमेंबर करना है कि ये लास्ट कार्बन को लिखना, आप इस कार्बन को कहां भी नहीं लिखना, आप इस फंक्शन ग्रुप को सीधा लास्ट में डालना. कहां भी होने दो, लास्ट में डालो. कोर्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस मत करो, इधर सीधा लास्ट में जाके रख दो, बिकॉज इसके साथ साथ कार्बन भी है. दूसरे में क्या था मालूम है? अब क्लोरीन में देखो सिर्फ क्लोरीन था, ब्रोमीन में सिर्फ ब्रोमीन था, अल्कोहल में सिर्फ OH था. इसी के लिए इनके पास एक ही बॉन्ड है, इनको हम कौन से हाइड्रोजन को निकाल के रिप्लेस कर दिए. लेकिन इस केस में देखो इसके पास ऑलरेडी 3 बॉन्ड ऑक्युपाई है और इसके पास खुद का कार्बन है, तो इसी के लिए इसको हम कहां भी नहीं डाल सकते. यू हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट दिस वन टू द लास्ट कार्बन ऑफ द हाइड्रोकार्बन ग्रुप. बेटा, सो नाउ keep this one again separately. Don't consider this one in while writing the molecular formula. Then how to write the molecular formula? See how many carbons are there here? 1, 2, C2. How many hydrogens are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 C2H5. Now represent this one, COH. Right. This becomes its molecular formula. Now the fourth one is which one? Butanol. Butanol. Meth, eth, prop, but. Double bond O, one H. H. Write it separately. It is a structural formula. What is the molecular formula? Molecular formula is 1, 2, 3. How many carbons are there? 3 carbons. C3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hydrogens. COH as usual. So this becomes butanol, right? Now take about again pentanol. Pentanol. Penta means 5. Meth, eth, prop, but, pent. One double bond O, one H. H, 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 H. सर हम इधर क्यों खाली छोड़े, इसको भी एक हाइड्रोजन डालो. अगर इसको एक हाइड्रोजन डाले समझो आप, तो आपका पूरा फंक्शनल ग्रुप ही खत्म होता है, इधर पूरा रॉन्ग ही होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि देखो एक कार्बन को सिर्फ 4 ही बॉन्ड रहना. आप ये बात दिमाग में डाल लो, एक कार्बन को सिर्फ 4 ही बॉन्ड रहना. अगर आप इधर नीचे एक हाइड्रोजन लिए समझो कितना बॉन्ड होते, देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 होते. इट्स बिकम टोटली रॉन्ग. तो इधर ऑलरेडी 4 बॉन्ड है, तो उसको कुछ भी करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है, आप एज यूजुअल रिप्रेजेंट कर दो. बिकॉज ईच कार्बन हैज 4 बॉन्ड, यू हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट दैट वन एंड यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड दैट वन कॉन्सेप्ट. अ कार्बन शुड कंटेन ओनली 4 बॉन्ड्स, राइट? So that becomes the structural formula. Then what is the molecular formula means? All right, keep this one separately. 1 2 3 4 4 carbons, C4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, H9. Now represent this one, COH. It becomes its molecular formula. Now the final is, I will do up to hexane only. Hexanal, hexane means how much? 6, meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex. Double bond O, 1H, H, 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 H. Keep it separately. 1 2 3 4 5 5, C5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, COH. It becomes its molecular formula, and this is its structural formula. So now it is your homework to do from heptanal to the decanal as the homework, right? So I think you understood about the aldehyde groups. The aldehyde is again a function group which ends with the suffix as al. Then it is the function group of that aldehyde group, right? So now we will move towards the third function group in oxygen. The third function group in oxygen, that is known as, the third in oxygen case only, third, that is known as ketone. The ketone is again a function group. Its suffix is 1. Its suffix is 1. And what is the function group? The function group is C double bond O. What does it means? What does the bond means? Because in a ketone group, the carbon should be between the two carbon atoms. ये कार्बन दो कार्बन के बीच में रहता, right? This carbon should be between the two carbon atoms. So that's the reason it has to be represented in this way. Should be between the two carbon atoms. So right now the ketonic groups ends with the suffix is known as 1. Now replace the hydrocarbon group with suffix as 1, ONE. Butenon, ethanon, propanon, methanon, ethanon, propanon, butenon, pentanon, hexanon, heptanon, octanon, nonanon, decanon. So this becomes which group? Ketonic group, right? And it is function group. Now we will start with the representing of the hydrocarbon. Now I will start with the propene, right? Propanon, propanon, meth, eth, prop, right? Now what does the function group means? It should be between the two carbon atoms, right? Means it should be middle, between the two carbon atoms, middle. H, 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 H. सर इधर एक हाइड्रोजन डालना, क्या डाले तो क्या होता है आपको तो पता है क्या होता है? इधर एक डाले तो 1 2 3 4 5 तो नहीं रहते, तो इसको नहीं डालना आप. दिस मच इज एनफ, राइट? तो अब इसका मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला कैसे लिखना सर? ये तो होगा इसका स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला. अब इसका मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला को किसको कैसे लिखना है? इसका मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला वैसे लिखना है जो हम लास्ट को लिखे. इसको आप सेपरेटली रखो, इसको रिप्रेजेंट मत करो. कितना कार्बन है देखो, 1 कार्बन 2 कार्बन लिखो, C2. हाइड्रोजन कितना है देखो, 1 2 3 1 2 3 S6. अब इसको कैसा करना सर? इसको सिर्फ लिखो CO बोल के, राइट? खत्म. इट्स अ फंक्शन ग्रुप. नाउ ब्यूटेनन, ब्यूटेन 1, मीथ, ईथ, प्रोप, ब्यूट. तो सर इधर कब ले, कहाँ लेना? इधर भी ले लो, इधर भी ले लो, बिकॉज इधर ले तो भी 2 कार्बन के बीच में आता है, इधर ले तो भी बहुत 2 कार्बन के बीच में आता, तो इधर ले तो मैं. आप याद रखना कि ये सिर्फ 2 कार्बन के बीच में आना, उतना याद रखो. दिस बिकम्स इट्स structural formula of butanol. Here is the structural formula. Then what does the molecular formula is there of this compound is? Keep this one separately. Don't do in this way. आप ऐसा राउंड मार्क मत करो, मैं दिखा रहा हूँ आपको. इसको सेपरेट रखो. तो कितना कार्बन है? 1 2 3 C3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 H8. दिस वन रिप्रेजेंट एज यूजुअल CO। तो इस कार्बन को इधर रिप्रेजेंट नहीं करना, इस कार्बन को छोड़ना, आप बाद में लास्ट में रिप्रेजेंट करना। इन केस ऑफ अल्डिहाइड आल्सो सेम, एंड इन केस ऑफ कीटोन आल्सो सेम, एंड इन केस ऑफ वन मोर इज देयर, इन केस ऑफ दैट आल्सो सेम। बाकियों का जो क्लोरो ब्रोमो अल्कोहल थे ना, उनके पास कार्बन नहीं था, इसी के लिए हम उसको सभी कार्बन को एट ए टाइम रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया और लास्ट में जाके OH हो, Br हो, Cl हो, ऐसा बोल के रिप्रेजेंट किया। लेकिन इसके जो ये अल्डिहाइड है, कीटोन है, इनके पास खुद का कार्बन एटम है, तो इसी के लिए इस कार्बन एटम को हमको लास्ट में रिप्रेजेंट करना है, उनको छोड़ के, मतलब 1 2 3 इसको लास्ट में लाके रखना है एज यूजुअल। इट बिकम्स इट्स ब्यूटेन नन। नाउ ब्यूटेनन, नाउ पेंटेनन। पेंटेनन, पेंटा मीन्स 5, मीथ ईथ प्रोप ब्यूट पेंट। इस 3 में से कहां भी रिप्रेजेंट करो, क्योंकि कहां भी लिए तो आप बीच में चाहता, तो मैं इधर लेता, देखो H H H H H H H H H H, right? So this becomes its structural formula. Then what does the molecular formula? The molecular formula is, keep this one as usual separately, don't consider it on this one. 1 2 3 4 C4, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 H10, write this one as usual CO. C4H10 CO becomes the molecular formula of pentanone. After pentanone, hexanone, hexanone, meth eth prop but pent hex, double bond O, H H H H H H H H H H H. So what does it means? 3 carbon, 4 5 carbon, C5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, कितना हो गया? 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, 13 हो गया कि कैसे? 5 sorry 12 at 12 CO. So this becomes its, this is the structural formula and it's its molecular formula, right? So this becomes its hexanone. So the remaining you can do, I think that you take from or should I show one more? अभी दिखा दे, देखो हेप्टेनन, ये लास्ट है, बाकी का तुम होमवर्क ले लो। हेप्टेनन, मीथ ईथ प्रोप ब्यूट पेंट हेक्स हेप्ट। H H H H H H H। ये अब तुम किसी कार्बन को ले सकते, क्योंकि कहां भी इनको छोड़ के, लास्ट कार्बन को छोड़ के इन कार्बन को कहां भी लिए समझो, अब 2 कार्बन के बीच में चाहता हूं तो वो याद रखना, इधर इधर नहीं लेना, बीच में कौन सा भी लेना, मैं इधर लिया आप इधर लो इधर लो इधर लो, कहां भी लो, एक ही लेना, बार बार नहीं लेना। सो दिस बिकम्स इट्स स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला। नाउ व्हाट इज द मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला इज? मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला इज 1 2 3 4 5 6, कीप इट एज सेपरेटली, C6 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 7 14 as usual CO. This 7 hydrogen, this 7 hydrogen becomes 14 and keep CO as finally. So this becomes its propane 1. So right. So I have understood about the propane 1. Now the final, that's the last but not the least, it's a very important, that is the final function group of your syllabus, known as the 4th carboxylic acid. In the oxygen, the last function group is the carboxylic acid. The suffix of the carboxylic acid is, suffix is oic acid. What is suffix is there? Oic acid means if hydrocarbon ends with the name as oic acid, that is considered as the carboxylic acid. Then what does its functional group is? It's a double bond O and one OH. You take in this manner, one double bond O, one is OH group. So here you say that already 4 bonds are completed. Now you should not add the hydrogen here this manner. So this becomes the function group of carboxylic acid, right? So now the name of the hydrocarbon should end with what? Oic acid. Methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, butanoic acid, pentanoic acid, hexanoic acid, heptanoic acid, octanoic acid, nonanoic acid, decanoic acid. Means if a hydrocarbon name is ending with oic acid, then that is called as the carboxylic acid, because the function group of the carboxylic acid is oic acid only, and it is the what? Function group of that carboxylic acid. Now how to represent the carboxylic acid function group? We start with the ethane, because we need at least 2 carbon atoms, called as a ethanoic acid. The name is ending with oic acid, then it means that it is the carboxylic acid, right? Meth, eth, one OH group and one O group, remaining are HHH as usual. So this becomes its structural formula. So again in the ethanoic, in the carboxylic acid case also, you should represent this carbon to the लास्ट कार्बन. लास्ट में रिप्रेजेंट करना, कहां पे? मिडिल में रिप्रेजेंट नहीं करना है, राइट है? तो इसका मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? इट मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला इज, यू अगेन कीप दिस वन सेपरेटली, डोंट मेंशन हियर बिकॉज इट इज द कार्बन ऑफ द फंक्शन ग्रुप. यू शुड नॉट टेक इन राइटिंग द मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला इन दिस वन, राइट? तो ये कार्बन 1 है, हाइड्रोजन कितना है? 3 है, CH3. इसको कितना है लिखो अब? CO, ये ले लो COOH. ये C, A को और H. CH3COOH becomes the molecular formula of ethanoic acid. Then what about the propanoic acid? Propanoic acid is simple, meth, eth, prop. One OH group and one double bond O group. H, right? Keep this one separately, it becomes its structural formula. Don't mention, don't represent this line, I'm just showing you, right, while representing. So how many carbons are there here? 2 carbons, C2, 1, 2. How many hydrogens are there? 5 hydrogens are there, C5. Now represent this one, COOH. So this becomes its molecular formula, right? The molecular formula of propanoic acid. Then what about the butanoic acid? I will show up to hepta, right? You do remaining in the home as a homework. So now take which one? Prop is over. Now take the butanoic acid. Butanoic acid. Meth, eth, prop, but, one OH group, right? One double bond O group. H. Keep this separately. Represent. This is a structural formula. What does the molecular formula becomes? Molecular formula is 3 carbon, C3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, H7, and represent this one, COOH. So this becomes its molecular formula of butanoic acid. Then what about the pentanoic acid? Pentanoic acid. Meth, eth, prop, but, pent. One OH group, one double bond O group. H, keep this separately. 1 2 3 4 C4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 H9. Now represent this one, COOH. So this becomes the molecular formula of pentanoic acid, right? Now I will represent up to heptanoic acid in this case, right? So now take as the hexanoic acid. Hexanoic acid. Hexa means how much? Hexa means 6. Oic acid means it is represented that it is a carboxylic acid. So you need to remember this function group, right? Met, eth, prop, but, pent, hex, one OH group and one double bond O group. H, 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 right? It becomes, keep this one separately, eth, prop, but, pent, C5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 or how much? 5, 5, 10, 11, right? H11, COOH. So this becomes its molecular formula, right? So now about the last, which is known as heptanoic acid. It is the last I will represent. Met, eth, prop, but, pent, hex, hept, OH, double bond O, H, 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 right? H. Keep this separately. 1 2 3 4 5 6 C6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 H13, COOH. So this becomes its molecular formula and this is its structural formula. So up to this, it is the end of the function group. Then you need to know that what type of the questions will be arise in your examination on the function group. So now you learnt every function group, right? Now how we ask the questions on the function groups? We will discuss about that also. So in the examination, he will ask you, identify the name of hydrocarbon. It's the chances is that he will ask you the function group, then he will tell you to identify what is the name of this hydrocarbon. Just take an example. I will represent. He will ask you in this diagram, he will represent or he will give you this diagram. ये डायग्राम देता है आपको और ये डायग्राम देके बोलता है आपको आइडेंटिफाई करो इसका नाम क्या है. तो आप फंक्शन ग्रुप को देख के जिसका नाम याद रखना. सिंपल, फंक्शन ग्रुप कौन से उसी पे ऊपर डिपेंड है आप कैसे आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं, राइट. अब देखो ये तो हो गया मीट ईथ प्रोप, ये तो प्रोप हो गया, प्रोप हो गया ये तो. अब इसको देखना है, ये तो प्रोपेन हो गया, राइट. इसको तो मीट ईथ प्रोप ये तो हो गया. अब इसको देखना है ये कौन सा फंक्शन ग्रुप है. मुझे तो ये अल्डिहाइड लग रहा है कि नहीं, क्योंकि वन एच है और एक वन डबल बॉन्ड हो तो ये अल्डिहाइड हो गया. तो अल्डिहाइड का सफिक्स क्या है, अल्डिहाइड का सफिक्स है एल, तो इसका नाम क्या है प्रोपेनल. खत्म. और इवन he will ask again different also. See here, so identify the name of this compound. इसका नाम क्या है बोलो. मीट ईथ प्रोप ब्यूट पेंट, ये तो पेंटा है, पेंटेन है ये तो. लेकिन ये फंक्शन ग्रुप कौन सा है, ये तो कीटोन लग रहा है मुझे. तो कीटोन का सफिक्स क्या है, 1 है. Ketonon, simple. Pentanon, right? So it becomes the name of this compound is पेंटानन. मतलब आपको स्ट्रक्चर दे के नाम लिखो बोलता और थोड़े कंडीशन में क्या करता मालूम है आपको, नाम ही देता और क्या करो स्ट्रक्चर लिखो भी बोलता. सिंपल थिंग. अब आपको नाम दिए स्ट्रक्चर लिखो बोले तब भी लिख सकते हैं आप. देखो, राइट द मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला एंड स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन. ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है इसमें. देखो, ए हेक्सानोइक एसिड, बी ब्यूटेनॉल, सी राइट पेंटानन, या फिर डी इथेनॉल, राइट इथेनॉल, या फिर ई क्लोरो मीथेन, या फिर एफ ब्रोमो हेक्सेन. अब ऐसा आपको नाम दिया, समझो ऐसा नाम दिया तो इनको आप मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला कैसे लिख सकते हैं. हाउ यू कैन रिप्रेजेंट द मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला. I think you understood how to write that one. So take this one as the homework and now try to solve or try to answer these all questions. Write their molecular formula and structural formulas are very easy. इतना easy है. अब तो आपको देखे तो याद आ रहा होगा इतना कितना easy है सर बोल के. So that was a very important interesting topic we discussed the last video and this video about the function groups, right? So stay home, stay focused. Again, I will be back with the next new topic. Bye bye.